Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss the types of graph. Earlier we have seen the definition of the graph. So the first one is null graph. Okay, so first one is null graph. So what this null graph is? A graph in which no edge is found is known as the null graph. So a graph in which number of edges is 0, okay, is known as null graph, okay. So example, we have this one and this one, but we are not going to connect these edges. What is so here we have taken the four vertices, but no vertices are connected, so it is known as the null graph. Now second one is trivial graph. Number 2 is trivial graph. So what this trivial graph is? A graph with one vertices and no edges is called a trivial graph. Okay, so a graph with one vertices and no edges is called trivial graph. Okay, example, this one. Now third one is the loop. What we mean by the loop of a graph? A graph in which both the vertices of an edge is identical, then it is known as the loop. For example, if we have a 4 vertices and we are joining these vertices, let it be v1, v2, v3, v4, and we connect all these vertices like this. But what we see here is the no vertices is connected with the self. So if we draw a figure like this, then what we see here is the v1 starting from here and again we connected with v1. Let this edge is e1. So this type of graph is known as the loop. So what we write in the loop? So a graph in which both vertices of an edge is identical, that is same. Okay, so here in this figure it is very clear. So if we have a vertex like this and we will draw a edge from itself, then this one is known as the loop of the graph. Okay, sometimes it is also known as the self loop.